Welcome everyone. Today we dive into duplicating IAM roles in AWS, a process that sounds technical but can be quite straightforward. First, let's get clear on what IAM roles do. Then we'll explore why duplication might be necessary, because sometimes one role isn't enough. Before jumping in, we must ensure all prerequisites are met. And finally, the best part, we'll see how AWS CLI makes the process smoother than your morning coffee. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's kick off with IAM roles. These are the unsung heroes of AWS security, granting permissions without tying them to a specific user. Unlike users, roles are flexible. They can be assumed by different entities. Plus, policies attached to them dictate their powers, making them a big deal in security management. And trust me, understanding these roles is key to making AWS security work for you. Now, why bother duplicating an IAM role? Well, first off, consistency is key. Duplication ensures permissions stay the same across multiple accounts. Maybe a new application requires a similar role. No problem, copy it. Security and compliance also benefit from having well-structured roles. And if you're testing configurations, it's better to duplicate an existing role than reinvent the wheel. Before diving into duplication, let's check our toolkit. First, make sure you have administrator permissions. AWS won't let just anyone mess with roles. Next, pinpoint the role you need to duplicate and familiarize yourself with the policies attached. Finally, ensure all necessary resources are in place, because starting without them is like cooking without ingredients. Inline policies are like adding special instructions directly inside a role. It's a bit like slipping a note inside your lunchbox saying, "Don't forget the dessert." With put role policy, we embed these policies within IAM roles. They're perfect for permissions that don't need external sharing and best used when tight control is needed. Managed policies are the smart way to scale permissions. Think of them like a pre-written recipe you can reuse, instead of scribbling instructions from scratch every time. With attach role policy, we assign these policies to IAM roles, making it easy to maintain uniform permissions without repetitive updates. Trust relationships decide who gets the VIP pass to assume a role. But copying them wronged. That's like accidentally inviting your neighbor's cat to a formal dinner. Always check the principal identities carefully so only the right people gain access, ensuring security stays intact. Automation is a lifesaver. Imagine manually recreating roles. It's like writing the same grocery list 10 times over. With Node.js and AWS SDK, we simplify the process, making sure duplicated roles are consistent and error-free. Just remember to verify permissions post-duplication. Best practices are like life hacks for IAM management. Without them, chaos lurks. Always review policies, automate wisely, verify manually, and conduct audits. Keeping outdated permissions around is like storing expired milk. Nobody wants to deal with that mess. IAM role duplication streamlines access management, but the devil's in the details. Inline vs. managed policies, trust relationships, and automation all play vital roles. Keep an eye on permissions, embrace automation, but always add a personal touch. Like seasoning food, too much or too little can ruin everything. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.